The scientists have warned that the Himalayan glaciers, providing critical water to nearly 2 billion people, are melting faster than ever before due to climate change, thus exposing the communities to unpredictable and costly disasters. The glaciers disappeared 65% faster from 2011 to 2020 compared with the previous decade, according to a report by the International Center for Integrated Mountain Development. Lead author of the report, Philippus Vestis, said that as it gets warmer, ice will melt, which was expected, but what is unexpected and very worrying is the speed. He further added that the rate of melting of the glacier is much faster than expected. Glaciers in the Hindu Kush Himalayan region are a crucial water source for around 240 million people in the mountainous regions, as well as for another 1.65 billion people in the river valleys below, the report said. Based on the current emissions trajectories, the glaciers could lose up to 80% of their current volume by the end of the century, said the Nepal-based ICI MOD, an intergovernmental organization that also includes member countries of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, and Pakistan. The glaciers feed 10 of the world's most important river systems, including the Ganges, Indus, Yellow, Mekong, and Irrawaddy, and directly or indirectly supply billions of people with food, energy, clean air, and income. With 2 billion people in Asia reliant on the water that glaciers and snow here hold, the consequences of losing this cryosphere, a frozen zone, are too vast to contemplate, the ICI MOD's Deputy Chief, Isabella Kozil, said. Even if global warming is limited to the 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial levels agreed to in the Paris Climate Treaty, the glaciers are expected to lose a third to a half of their volume by 2100, the peer-reviewed report said. It underscores the need for urgent climate action, and every small increment will have huge impacts. The world has warned an average of nearly 1.2 degrees Celsius since the mid-1800s, unleashing a cascade of extreme weather, including more intense heat waves, more severe droughts and storms made more ferocious by rising seas. Hardest hit are the most vulnerable people and the world's poorest countries, which have done little to contribute to the fossil fuel emissions that drive up temperatures.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.